Before they were supposed to drink to rehydrate after intense physical labor or sugary drinks designed to boost energy levels. There was Switchel, an all-natural drink similar to lemonade that's experiencing a resurgence in popularity. Today's video will discuss how to make Switchel nature's sports drink. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Health benefits: ease inflammation, get an electrolyte boost. Enjoy a dose of apple cider vinegar. By regularly drinking Switchel, you will get all the terrific benefits of apple cider vinegar, including healing compounds like potassium, magnesium, and probiotics. Switchel Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup ginger chopped, half cup maple syrup. Add more if needed to be sweeter. You also can substitute molasses for a very old-fashioned taste. Half cup apple cider vinegar, 2/3 cup lemon juice, 6 cups of water. Instruction: fill a 2-quart saucepan 2/3 with water and add ginger. Bring water to a boil and allow ginger to boil for about 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and let ginger steep for 20 minutes. In a 2-quarter pitcher, add maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. Strain ginger as you are pouring into pitcher. Stir and mix all ingredients well. Can be served warm or on ice. Add more water to dilute if needed. That's all there is to making this Switchel. You can enjoy this drink either at room temperature or served on ice. It's a terrific drink to keep on hand to serve kids instead of sugary soft drinks or juices. They will love it too. So, are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.